Meet Benny, Pippa, and Nibbles, 3 best friends, and triple the trouble. Pippa loves digging. Treasure hunt? Nope, just another hole. Nibbles the acrobat. Wobbly, but still standing. Benny found a giant dandelion. Time for a royal sniff. Achoo! Benny's a flying bunny now. Pippa to the rescue, or just chasing for fun. Nibbles stays out of trouble, but laughs at his friends. Soft landing, perfect for a leaf party. Best friends plus leaves equals pure happiness. Where's Pippa? Oh, tail spotted. Benny and Nibbles dig fast, and Pippa is free. Hooray for teamwork! First adventure done. What's next? Stay tuned.